go, get another package, or let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Let's use this today. Paper, manifest, individually wrapped items, more paper, so we'll discard this, target sized, more paper off roll, target size, target there. So, let's see what we got here. Liberty Tree Collectors. Alright, how are we going to best approach this? Let's start with this. This caught my eye first. Inside the bag we have two Belgian M90 Camo grenade pouches. So that. Let's see how these can be used to attach to attachment point. These loops. And here we have our lockable flap. Then you can do that quick pull on the tab, and then inside we have a subdivided pouch with lifters to assist in pulling out whatever unit is stored in there. Similarly, this one, and two lifters and the subdivision there. Alright. N90 camo grenade pouches, Belgian. Next up, this easy access items. More tape. And condition. I'm not sure of the age of this, so this is listed as Romanian Tokarev pistol holster G to VG, so good to very good grade. So you can see the stitching on the hip facing side. This would be the outer facing side. You can see the stud and cut to secure the flap. There's your flap. Inside of the stitching point from these hang loops, D-rings. There's a little bit of age corrosion on them that can probably be quickly cleaned off. Or that might be just storage material that had aged over time. Here we also have like a magazine pocket, I believe, based on the shape. So leather, see the thickness, and our flap again. So Romanian Tokarev pistol holster. Next up, we'll get to these mystery items here. What do we have? Let's just go for the smaller one. Okay, let's see what's open. Okay, what do you think of this? It's a bag. It's a magazine. This is a Tokarev TT33 pistol magazine military surplus. So you can see the visibility holes there. 7 on this side and 6 on this side. Your base plate does have a number of strikeout markings. So this was originally assigned with other items. You can see struck marking there, a current marking set between these two here, and then another struck marking there. Very interesting. Pretty good condition, a little bit of corrosion there, but that can be cleaned and oiled out. Just something to keep an eye on. So, Tokarev TT33 pistol magazine. Don't need that. Keep that on that. Let's go for this one. What do you think this is? This is an Enfield Sling World War II used WW2. So they kind of use that little loop there to secure it. So you can see the brass attachment point where you would actually run this through the sling swivel point loop, and then you can then insert your sling. I may not be facing this the right way, but pinch it in this way, pinch this in this way, and it'll form a closed loop. I'm not going to do it right now because this has to be put on something. Similarly, the other end. You can see not a lot of corrosion. Very nice aging to it. I do feel a little bit of storage grime, dirt, however. So a little bit of wear right there at the attachment point, but nothing severe, and I don't see any print markings on it. There's a good view of the rivet points. Very nice. Enfield WW2 sling, and then the last wrapped packet. Okay, what do you guess is in this one? If you look at the description, you already have a clue. So got some heft to it. We actually have a number of items here. Let's pair them out. So first in my hand here, I have Enfield stripper clips, sets of 5. I got 2 each of those. There's 5 and 5. Let's just take a look at one. Yeah, pretty good shape. As you can see how they have that curve on the opposite ends. Let's see, how can I get this back in here? Like that. Enfield stripper clips. And then last up in today's box we got Austrian Mannlicher M95 Enblock clips, sets of 2, and we got 2 each of these. So here's 2, here's another 2. Just take a quick look at one of these. Very good condition. So you can see the style there and the way they have their rollovers. And then the stampings on the other ends. Very nice. Now, alright, let's work our way backwards here. Excuse me. Austrian Mannlicher M95 Enblock clips, sets of 2, 2 ordered. Enfield stripper clips, sets of 5, 2 ordered. Enfield Sling WW2 World War II used. Tokarev TT33 pistol magazine military surplus. Tokarev TT33, Romanian Tokarev pistol holster. And started off with Belgian M90 Camo grenade pouches. So, get these a little bit better view here. These all came from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out at libertytreecollectors.you-know-what. They have a large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp, tools, and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.